In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase your QuickBooks Online data and start over. If you've been testing, made a lot of entries you no longer need, or just want a clean slate, there's a built-in way to wipe your company data, and it only takes a moment. Before we begin, remember this is permanent. Once you confirm the deletion, there's no undo button, so make sure you really intend to start fresh and that you're working in the correct company file. Here's the key idea. QuickBooks Online includes a special purge function for new companies. To access it, go to your QuickBooks Online company in a web browser and look at the website address at the very top of your screen, in the browser's address bar. You'll see a long URL ending with a word, like home or dashboard. Click into that address bar and replace the last word with the word purge company, all one word and all lowercase. Then press enter to load that page. If your company was created less than 60 days ago, you'll be taken to a confirmation screen that lets you delete everything. This is QuickBooks' way of clearing your books so you can start over without creating a brand new subscription. When you see the prompt, review the message carefully because the purge deletes your data and can't be recovered. If you're sure, click yes to confirm. QuickBooks will wipe the transactions and lists and reset the company so you can begin again as if it were new. If your company was created more than 60 days ago, that purge page won't be available. In that case, the path to a clean start is simply to cancel your current subscription and sign up for a new account. That ensures you're starting with a truly empty company file. While this isn't as quick as the purge option, it's the correct approach once the 60-day window has passed. A few quick tips to help you avoid surprises. Double-check that you're logged into the right company, especially if you manage multiple subscriptions. Understand that purging or starting a new account removes your entries, so any reports or records you might want to reference later won't be available there. After you start fresh, you'll need to re-enter your preferences, connect any bank feeds again, and rebuild your chart of accounts or products and services as needed, and that's it. Edit the last word of the URL to purge company, confirm the deletion if you're within 60 days, or if you're past that window, cancel and create a new account to begin anew. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get a clean start quickly and confidently.